As your mayor, I just would like to wish everyone a happy Vaisakhi. And I also want to say thank you to the Sikh community for always demonstrating compassion, courage, and a commitment to the city of Stockton. We've seen that over the last couple of years, even more recently, where the Sikh community has really stepped up to help meet some of the most pressing health concerns in our city by administering thousands of vaccines to our residents throughout Stockton and delivering food to the communities that need it most. I honor the Sikh community this morning and thank you for your commitment to the city of Stockton. You're not only a big part of our rich culture and history in the city of Stockton, but through the United States of America, because Stockton is proud to have the first Sikh temple in the United States right here. So thank you again for everything that you continue to do for our city. And once again, I want to wish you all a happy Vaisakhi.